Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to renew your LLC annual report in Florida with Sunbiz. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go to this website, sunbiz.org. Then you want to go and click on search records. Then you want to go and click on name. And after you click on name here, you should search for your company or your corporate with the entity name. So I will type a random name for now. Then I'm going to search, and let's say that this is my company. I'm going to click on it, just like so. And now we will need to copy this number, document number, just control C it or copy it like so. And after that, you want to go back to the home menu where you can find manage change existing business. Just hover over it, then choose this option, file annual report, tap on it. Then you want to scroll down till you find here, click here to file your 2026 annual report. Just click on it. Then you want to enter here the document number, then click on submit. After that, you'll get a message like so. Just hit the continue button. Then here you can see this page. Just review all these information and make sure that all these information are accurate. Then click on move on the final review. Then it will show this page. Type here the name of the individual signing here. Click on save registered agents right now. Then click on move on to payment section. Then it will show this page. You should choose the credit card or the payment method. Then it will jump you directly to the page of payment entry. Tap your credentials and click on continue and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.